Welcome to Ask Inc. Chinese roast pork was originated in the Canton region of China. Today we'll teach you a non-traditional way how to make it using a rice cooker. You will need 2 pounds of pork shoulder, Chinese barbecue sauce, cooking wine, and honey. First, wash the pork. Then pat it with a paper towel to soak up the moisture. Chop the pork into half and then put it into a container. Pour 2 spoonfuls of cooking wine onto the meat, then massage it. Do the same with the Chinese barbecue sauce. Leave this in the fridge for at least 12 hours. Put oil into a rice cooker. Then put the meat in. Cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out and put more of the leftover sauce on it. Then put it back and cook it for another 20 minutes. Then take it out and drain the sauce from the rice cooker. Add 2 spoonfuls of Chinese barbecue sauce and 1 tablespoon of honey into the rice cooker. Then put in the meat and cook it for 20 minutes. When it's ready, take it out and leave it to rest for 5 minutes. And enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you next time!